I love you because I love you, and it is impossible for me not to love you. I love you. Without question, calculation, without reason. Good or bad, faithfully with all my heart and soul. I wake filled with thoughts of you. My eyes are waiting for the sight of you. No, you don't believe me, of course. Since left you, I have become constantly depressed. My happiness is to be near you. I can feel you close to me even if you are far away. You are the only one in my mind and heart. I'm truly blessed to have you as a part of my life. Don't leave me, please. I know my actions disappointed you, but I'm ready to make amends. I have something to say to you, please allow me.